Okay, this is the last page of the chapter 2.4 notes. This is page 3, and I say that and realize I never numbered the pages. Okay, first thing we're going to do is raise a power to a power, and I have included the steps. I do want to point out why it works that way, though. We're multiplying 2/3. This exponent up here of 2 means we multiply the base twice. So that's 2/3 times 2/3. Which ends up being 2 squared over 3 squared, or 4/9. Okay. So that's step 1 and 2. Raise the numerator to the power, raise the denominator to the power. So for B, 1 to the third over 2 to the third. 1 to the anything is 1. A lot of times we leave that power out. 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Next, to be able to divide, we need to find something called the reciprocal. And I'm just going to use the values from up above. Reciprocal is the number we can multiply by this to get 1. So we find the reciprocal by just flipping numerator and denominator. So for B from above, 1/2, 2 over 1 is just 2. And sometimes this is where confusion comes in. When we want the reciprocal of a whole number, we end up putting it under 1. It really is the whole number over 1, so when we flip it, 1 ends up in the numerator. We use the reciprocals when we divide, okay? So we are going to start, here we are dividing whole numbers. We got to start by writing those as fractions. I've got mixed numbers. I cannot take the reciprocal of a mixed number. It has got to be a fraction. So my 2 wholes cut into 2 pieces each is 4, plus the 1 more in the numerator makes it 5 over 2. 3, divided by 3 1/3, 3 cut into 3 pieces each is 9, plus 1 more makes it 10 over 3. So now that we have it written with fractions, we invert and multiply. Again, I am going to cancel what I can. 10 is 5 times 2, so I can cancel that 5 in the numerator and denominator. That leaves me with 3 in the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4 in the denominator. B, 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 3, this is 43/8. Divided by, I'm going to go ahead and write this as a fraction. Now we rewrite as a multiplication, 43/8 times 1 over 3. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominator. And again, since I started with mixed numbers, I am going to make sure I convert this to mixed numbers. So the 24 goes into 43 once. I have got, 19 left over. 19 over 24. Since I could not reduce the original fraction, I'm not going to be able to reduce that part. And that's it.